Hello children, welcome to our YouTube channel Sanra Advanced Education. Children, you would have heard that our grandparents and parents used to say, they always say that there is everything in the books. Only one thing you have to do is study these books heartily. You know children, when I used to be a child like you, my grandparents also used to say these words to me. And I smiled hearing these words because I was a child and I had no so much power to think. I used to go inside the room and opened my bag, opened my books and started to search those things which I thought for those at the time, like bicycle, toys, and others. And I couldn't find those things in those books at the time. And I thought my grandparents and parents stupid. Those were not stupid. I was stupid. I was a child. I did not know what they were saying at the time. And children, time passes fastly. Now I realize that the words my grandparents used to say were absolutely correct. I am telling the stories two of my friends. One friend, he did not study hard. He studied only to pass the class. At the time of exams, he used to be serious somewhat about the study. And nowadays, what is the result? Nowadays he is doing a small job. And he is living a very simple life. He is always in difficulties. Whenever he meets me, he tells, I have scarcity of these things. And now, and second one, my friend, he used to study with timetable. He was quite serious about the studies. And he used to come first or second position on first or second position in the classroom. Always stand first or second. Nowadays, he is a doctor and he has everything in his life in a big way, in a grand way. A big car, big house, a great respect in the society, relations with the high society peoples, everything. He's living a very grand life. Now I understand what our grandparents used to say, what was the meaning of that sentence, that there is everything in the books. Only one thing you have to do is study these books heartedly. Thank you.